Another thing we wanted to make sure and go over is how to create an assignment. So if there are any additional topics that you'd like to include in your course that were not included in the objectives, you can do that by just clicking on the assignments button and then clicking on assignments and click on new assignment right here. And you can see that I have the option to do homework, test, quiz. We're going to click on a homework. And you can see you have all your homework settings here for the start and due date, allow students to access a worked example, all these kind of settings you can set for yourself. And then you can see these are the objectives that are already included in the course, but the default view includes everything. So if there's certain content that you'd like to include in your course that's not included in the objectives, you can add any of this on your own for a homework assignment and just control and drag to add the type of questions that you want for your homework. So I'm just going to add a few as an example. Drag and drop. You can also, you see right here, randomly add however many questions from different topics. So if you want to do it that way, you can do that as well. And then down here on the bottom, you can see this is where you're going to save it. Something to note about the homework assignments is that they are not adaptive. So the homework assignments will go over the topics that you select, but the questions themselves are not going to be adaptive. It just ensures that your students will be asked questions over that particular topic. The final thing we wanted to show was the gradebook. So I'm going to click on the gradebook and then click on gradebook setup. We just wanted to go over the settings for the gradebook. So you can see that we have the objective set at 65%. So that's going to capture the student's progress on the different objectives up until the due dates. So that's going to give the students 65% based on keeping up with the due dates and the work percentage-wise up until those due dates. The overall pie progress is open until the end of the semester, and that's 35%. So students can still earn credit even if they didn't finish all of their work at the due date with this overall pie progress set at 35%. Please let us know if you have any questions about that. I also wanted to make sure instructors knew exactly how to get to the student view. There's more than one option to get there, but over here in this class tools area, you click on that and click on student view. That's going to take you directly into the student tutorial. So it's going to show you how the students go through the tools tutorial, go through initial knowledge check, and you as an instructor can choose to not go through that and just click on I want complete knowledge. And if you do that, you'll actually see all of the questions that the students are going to be asked throughout the course. So I always like to encourage instructors to go through that and see what the students are going to experience in the course. Thank you and have a wonderful semester.